I want to explain something really important to you, which is why webinar sales funnels can transform your business. Hi, my name is John Colley. I am a successful online course instructor and I sell my own courses online, including using webinars. Now, for a long time, I struggled with webinar marketing. It's actually quite complicated and it can be very daunting. But I have worked it all out and I now love giving webinars. And that's what I want to share with you in this course. Now, every major marketer is doing webinars and you have to ask yourself the question, why? And the answer is because they work, because they make money. They make a lot of money. And therefore, it's something you have to give serious consideration to. But this course is not about how to create a webinar. This course is about how you sell with a webinar. No, I'm saying not what, but how you sell. So I'm giving you the actual nitty-gritty of how to do this webinar marketing business. And that is the critical component in this course. Webinar funnels are the real secret sauce to success with webinars. Without a sales funnel, who's going to turn up to your webinar? The crickets? Now, this course does not hold back. I share all the key elements of the webinar funnel with you. The pages you need to create, your product selection, the selection of the webinar delivery platform, the email service provider platform you're going to need to use. Step by step, I will show you the pages you need to create with screenshot examples taken from one of my campaigns of every single page. I'll show you every single email sequence from registration to cart close. And I'm showing you screenshots of the emails so you can see exactly how I lay them out, exactly how I style them, and exactly what the content is so that you can be inspired to create your own. Not to copy mine, but to create your own. Now, if you're promoting your webinar with an influencer or a joint venture partner, I've got you covered. I give you every email sequence they need to send so that you can share that with them and help them to cover all the major points. In this course, we go from registration to indoctrination to reminders to delivery, replays, and to cart closing. Every step of the way. I'm going to show you dramatically, step by step, how the components of the webinar funnel fit together. From the very first page, all the way through, 12 steps later, to the final complete webinar sales funnel. So you know exactly what you have to do, how you have to do it, and how everything connects together. It can be complicated, but believe you me, when you follow the course step by step, you will get it. This is based on my own campaigns, and I'm really sharing everything with you and holding nothing back because I want you to be successful. And if I can do it, so can you. My only question for you is, are you ready to take action? Are you ready to commit yourself to creating a webinar sales funnel that will help you deliver success and profit from your webinars? I really hope you are. I'll see you in the course.